How to change notification sound from Facebook on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can change notification sounds from Facebook on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you'll need to head back and just be on your homepage. So the thing is, you cannot change notification sound for Facebook only. You'll have to do it for your default alerts as well. So to do that, head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down and find sounds and haptics. Head over there, and there you'll find different options, and there is an option called default alerts. Tap on that. Now this is the default one, so simply change it to something else. So you can choose whichever you want, choose one. You can even change the haptics if you want, and basically that's it, and that's how you do it. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.